recording na. So, 5 minutes before we start, just a sec. There we go. Dito na. Window, right? Alright. Alright, there we go. Pwede na pala yun. That's cool. Okay. 4 minutes before we start pala, you wanna show me the assignment that you did?
Sure.
Okay. Sige, game. Just finish with another class kasi.
Uh,
mm-hmm. So, wait lang. There we go. Okay. Share screen mo na lang sa akin what you did. Then check lang the teacher, okay? You can try this out. I'm not familiar with Bodmas because I did the test. Okay. Share screen mo lang when you're ready, okay?
okay. Wait, I'm preparing it.
Yeah, go lang. Sa Roblox ka pala.
Yeah, I was actually just praying while waiting. So yeah,
Okay. What game is that?
Dandy's World. It's a
Dandy's
fun
World.
game.
It's a fun
It's
game.
actually kind of a horror game, but not
Mm-hmm.
much.
You're not scared by it?
No, not really.
Nope.
Oh,
Okay.
whoops.
Whoops. Sige, tingnan
Okay,
natin.
so I did what you said. So, and then when this touches, wait, huh?
Hala.
Is it not?
No, it's okay. You can
Okay,
troubleshoot it.
let me just.
You don't AFK daw, hala. Okay, maybe you try to restart. Yan. Alright, show me the code na lang. The code block.
So I made this one, the
Mm-hmm.
broadcast restart, and then I put it. I also added something. When I receive P win, say I lost, and then this one say I lose.
Nice. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Sige, maybe you can debug that more later. Or you can actually add some stuff later based on our lesson. Okay, it's 3:30 na. Start na tayo sa lesson. Send mo muna yung message. Okay, yan. Wait lang daw ha. Lesson muna, lesson.
Wait, I'll just stop share my screen. Sorry.
Sure, sure. Sabi mo muna, wait lang, I'm learning. I have a session muna. I have class. Ready na?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Welcome to day 5. Ready na tayo? So right now, we're gonna learn about variables. Variables na tayo. Yay! And so, what exactly are variables muna? You can kind of imagine variables to be like boxes or containers that store values within your program. Okay? They help us remember and manipulate data as our program runs. So, variables, why do we want to use them? Because they allow us to create dynamic and interactive projects. So, for example, if you want to store um, yung score ng player, if you want to keep track of their progress, and if you want to respond to user input. So, those are just some of the ways that you can use variables. So, okay, fire up your Scratch. New project muna tayo, new project ha. Tapos, try mo to. Observe mo lang. So, kasi in Scratch, you can create variables in the variables palette by clicking on this one, you make a variable. So, make sure when you're naming a variable, it's related to what you want the value stored in it. It should be directly related to the value that you want to store inside this variable. So, if you want to store a name, kunyari, full name mo, yung name dapat ni variable is name or full name. Gets?
Also, I tried using the my blocks. I didn't really understand it. Are we gonna learn about that?
Oh yeah, we're gonna touch on that. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. Gets na?
Yeah.
Eto. So these are the various variable blocks that you can use. The set variable to value block assigns a value to a variable. So, etong si my variable, bibigyan mo siya ng value na 0. So you're basically putting the number 0 into this container named my variable. Ayan, it updates the variable's value every time this block is used. And eto, change variable block. So change variable by how many? By how many value? So this block adds or subtracts a value from a variable. It's handy for increasing the number of scores, lives, or any other numerical data in your program. So for example, if you want to keep track of the number of wins ng isang car, you can use this block to add 1 to the variable score. Na-imagine mo ba? Right? Every time he wins, plus 1 yung score. Plus 1 yung score.
Yeah, I can imagine it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yun lang naman silbi nun. Ito naman, show or hide variable. So these blocks show or hide the variable and its current value on the stage area. So for example, if you want to show this variable, you just use this. But if you want to hide it, then etong gagamitin mo, yung hide block, obviously. Whenever the variable is updated, the displayed values are also updated in real time. So we'll see how we can use them later. Okay? Ayan, kunyari, you can also manually show or hide it by putting a check mark on the box beside the variable. Instead of using oh, instead of using these blocks, you can just click on the checkbox. And so for example, when the green flag is clicked, it will display on the stage area the name of the variable and the value. So you wanna try this out? Just from your new project, lagay mo lang itong dalawang blocks. Tapos click on the green flag.
Yeah, I see it.
Mhm.
It says my variable and then it's boxed. It's a orange box and it's 0.
Nice. Okay. So, tama. So moving on, if you want to manually set up variables, so you can actually tweak or set up the initial value of a variable. Um, but first you have to show it on the stage, right? So just like right now, you already have the orange block in your stage, right? You can cycle through the different looks of how the variable is displayed by double left clicking on it or by right clicking on the variable. So try mo either double click mo or just right click. Then click on any of these options, yung normal readout, large readout, slider, then observe mo lang.
Slider.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like no
Tapos,
moderate.
pag ginalaw mo yung slider,
Large
mag-iiba
readout.
value.
Oh, the large readout only shows the number.
Mhm. Gets ba? You know, so that's how you manually give a value to that variable. Mhm. Sige, next na tayo. So, ayun na. You need to use the slider to manually set up the value of your variable because it has a default value of 0, yung pinaka-left, up to 100. So, kung sinlide mo siya dito sa pinaka-dulo, pinaka-right, then it's going to be 100. Did you try it out?
Yeah.
Nice. But you can still change its range. You can change the range. So, kung kinlik mo yung option na change slider range, share screen mo para makita ni teacher. If you click on change slider range, hindi na siya from 0 to 100. You can modify the values, yung range niya. Pwedeng 10 to 50 or what, ikaw bahala. And right click mo or double click mo lang. Yan. So, i-right click mo siya. Yan. Sa slider. Tapos, isa pa. Right click mo ulit. Tapos, change slider range. Yan. So, yan yung range niya. From whatever number you want to 1,000. So, try mo. Slide mo ulit siya. Ayan. Hindi na siya 0 to 100.
Okay.
0 to 1,000 na siya. Okay? So, next up, we can also pass variables using
Oh,
broadcast,
sorry.
right? So, yung broadcast, remember how to use broadcast? It can send messages, right?
Yeah.
Aside from messages, it can also pass or send variables. Ayan o. Variables can be combined with broadcast messages for more powerful interactions. If you want more stuff to do with your code, you can actually pass variables. Ayan o. It's particularly useful, especially since or if the variable is only available on a specific sprite. So kung you have this one variable specific to just sprite number 1, pero gusto mo siya gamitin ni sprite number 2, pwede mo siya i-broadcast yung variable na naka sprite 1, i-broadcast mo siya to sprite 2. Gets? Okay. So, here are some tips para mas madali. Make sure that you choose clear variable names. So, what this means is that basta yung mga, if you want to name the variables, you want to name them something that you will remember easily kung ano laman niya. Right? It's like putting a label on a box or a Tupperware for food, right? So, ano ba laman ng Tupperware na to? Hotdog, sinigang, afritada, something like that, 'di ba? You don't put you don't put water on the Tupperware kung laman niya hotdog, 'di ba? Kasi nakakalito 'yun. So, next up, we initialize variables with sensible starting values. So, for kunyari, if you want to initialize a variable named score, we usually want to initialize with usually want to store a starting value of 0, indicating na wala pa siyang wins or score. Okay? Or kunyari, pagka life total, HP, health point, ganun, if you have a variable named life total, we usually want to have a starting value of, let's say, 100. Diba? Like sa game na nilalaro mo, may life kayo dyan, right? How many lives that you have. So, usually may starting value tayo na 5 or 3 so that you have 3 lives, 5 lives, etc. So, make sure na yung starting value makes sense in the context of your program. And finally, make sure na hindi nakakalito yung pagka-change ng variables mo throughout the program. Okay? Just make sure na hindi siya makalat. So, ready ka na for the activity? You think kaya na to? Mhm. Sige. Try mo to. Design a simple quiz with multiple choice questions using the ask and wait block tsaka tong si answer block. So, around, 3 to 5 questions, you can choose the default cat sprite or anyone from the library. So, pwede mo gamitin tong nasa right as reference. Also, don't forget to share your screen so teacher can see. Okay, good job. So, just modify the question. You can make it whatever you want. Like, is apple green or red? Ganun. A red, B green, ganun. O bahala. Dapat variable na siya dyan. Try mo naman gumawa ng variable. Paano tayo gumawa ng variable? Punta ka dun sa variables na ano? Variables na tab. There we go. So, make a variable. Hindi, tanggal mo muna yan. Remove mo muna yan. Yung change block. Sige, paano mo? Dapat question 2. Question 2, right? Gusto natin i-broadcast si question 2. Nagawa tayo ng variable named question 2.
Can you say that again?
Nagawa tayo ng variable named question 2. Okay? Question 2. There we go. Okay. Dapat broadcast. Because we want to broadcast the variable question 2. Tapos ano ba dapat laman ni question 2? Wait lang. Di ka pa kasi naglalagay ng ano eh. Sige. I'll fire up my Scratch na rin. So you can see. Code along tayo ngayon. Depends when clicked. Ask. Saan siya? And wait. Tapos if then ayan, ito. Ano ba? Answer. Then execute natin tong broadcast. Right, si broadcast. Pero gawa muna tayo ng variable question. Right. Double click pa nga. Okay. Nope. Ano yan? Mali yan. Okay. Watch mo muna si teacher, okay? Watch mo muna paano gawin ni teacher. So, this is how you do it. So, when the green flag is clicked, so si Sprite, he will ask, what is 11 minus 10? A or B? So, lagyan natin si A. Dito. Then, broadcast. Gumawa kasi ako ng question 2. Ayan. To make a new variable, we type in question 2. Or for example, question 3 lagyan natin. So, ito question 3. Right? Tapos, make sure, manual natin iset. Paano natin iset? Set natin si question 2 to ano ba? Broadcast natin si question 2. Tapos, when we broadcast it, ay hindi. Sige. Tignan natin paano to. Set question 2 to A. To itong block na to. natin. Okay. Dapat true. Set question. Tapos, may separate block tayo dito na sa broadcast yun, right? When I receive, question, variable. Pwede ba? Hindi pala. Sa ibang sprite pa dapat ata eh. Ay, si Andy. So, when I receive, no, sige, sorry. Um, skip na lang muna natin to, okay? Di na practice si Kuya to. Don't worry, I'll teach you naman. I'll help you. Sige. Ito, try natin to. Create a variable named timer, track the remaining time. Kaya ba? Share ko, ayusin ko lang yung screen share ko. There we go. Sige, wait lang ha. Balikan natin yung number 1 mamaya. So, make sure that you're gonna make a variable named timer. Meron na? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tapos set timer to 60. Okay na? Sige. Next naman, ayan. Oops, sorry. Mali. Okay na? It's counting down na?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice. Okay. So, okay. Nasa exercise naman na tayo. Balikan natin to later, okay? Tong quiz type. I'll figure out how to broadcast and receive the variables. Pero pwede siya. Okay? Siguro, pwede natin gawin. Work on the exercises muna, then Kuya will try and figure out how to do this in the quiz part. Okay?
I don't really understand
Mm-hmm.
exercise one.
Exercise 1. Okay. So for exercise 1, we want to create a tool that converts temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Ooh. Do you know what? Do you know the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit? Okay. So Celsius. Sige, I'll just change that to something simpler na lang so that you can better understand. Okay? Si exercise 2 and 3, kaya?
Yeah.
Kaya? Sige, try natin yan. So here you're gonna
Oh,
make your
my connection is kind of poor. Oh, never mind.
kind of pour. Sige, for exercise 2, you want to make use of loops here. Okay? So dapat nasa loob siya ng forever na loop. Kaya ba? Modify mo muna yan. So naka-black screen kanina. Okay, anyway. Sige, we have 30 minutes naman to deal with the exercises and variables. Variables is very important kasi. Okay? So I want you to um at least master, no master, pero get a hang of how you use variables. Alright? Sige, wait. Ano yan? What are you doing there?
Oh,
What's
just
that for?
modifying.
Okay, sige.
Also, I won't be attending class tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right? And
Yeah.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Sige. Mm,
exercise too, can I include a random letter?
Letter, random number. If, yeah, maybe. But try mo muna number lang muna. Hmm. Okay. Very good. This is a practical application of variables kasi. Really we check that. Okay. So, ito na lang. Hmm. Wala. So, question number. Yes, okay. Just keep track. Sige. I receive question 2. There we go. Okay. So, for exercise 1, ito. So it's good that you know how to use broadcast messages now. Okay? But maybe dapat may input siya. Okay? So you should have an input. So you should use yung ask block. Also, you have to make a score named variable and si ask block. Right? You want to guess a random number kasi. Teacher will try doing that as well. Okay? Okay. Game. How are you? Kaya? Sige, I just want to see you try and do it. Then, okay lang kahit di mo magawa. Because, it's kind of hard niya eh. I don't know why these are the exam exercises here. Kind of hard for this level. Pero sige. Instead, I'll give you an assignment na lang. Maybe you can use not equal. If answer is not equal to the random number, then if the answer is not equal to the number that you set, then it's gonna say wrong, try again, and it's gonna loop.
How do I use this block?
Hmm? What block? Answer? Oh, that's
No,
sensor.
I mean
So if
the
maybe you can try. So equal. Gamitin mo si equal, right? Mm-hmm. There we go.
okay. I get it now.
Oh yeah, oo nga, may kanina pala. Answer is equal to. Take correct. Okay. Okay. Sige. I'll teach you. Are you ready? So yeah, show mo kay kuya. Paano mo ginawa? So you did broadcast 1. And then, oh, ala, tanggalin mo yan. Okay, what I want you to do, mm, sige, share screen si kuya, okay lang? I'll show you how I did it. Like this. Can you see? Kita mo screen ni kuya? What happened? Wala. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so this is how I did it. Tatanggal natin. So, kita mo to? So, when the green flag is clicked, we set the random number. So, teacher made a new variable named random number. Okay, kita? Gets? Mm-hmm. So, teacher made a new variable named random number. and I set it to 45. This is the random number. So you can change it however you want. Give me a number. Ano gusto mo number?
124.
124. Okay. So, ito yung random number na gusto nating i-guess, right? So, within the forever loop, it's gonna keep asking, try and guess the number that I'm thinking. Then wait. Then wait natin daw for an answer. So, if your answer is equal to 124, which is a random number, then he will say, correct, good job, for 3 seconds. Else, if hindi 124 yung nilagay mo, it's gonna say wrong, try again. Gets mo ba? Share screen ko yung scratch ko mismo. Ayan. Gets ba? Gets? So, if we try and do this, so lagyan natin 12. Hala, mali. It's wrong. So, ulit siya. It's gonna loop. So, ulit. Oop, it's wrong. So, if we put in 124, wait, ulit. Oh, ba? Hindi ko na set. Okay, ayan. So, if we put in 124, correct na siya. Gets mo? Try mo on your own. Kaya ba? For this session, I just want you to be familiarized with variables so you can make use of them every time that we're gonna do exercises in the future. Okay? Do you have questions pa about how we use variables? You get how we use variables naman, right? Mm-hmm. Sige, try mo to. I'll make sure to prepare better exercises sa next session natin. Sorry talaga. Okay. Ay, 10 minutes pa naman. Are you doing it ba? Are you copying this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sige. So, we'll stick to this one, right? Then I'll give you an assignment based on this one then. Okay? So, ang gusto kong gawin mo is that, so di ba mag-set tayo ng number as the random number, right? We want to set the number. So, kung ito, may natin 150, yan yung, yan yung random number natin. So, yun 150. I want you to see, I want you to code this such that if the answer is close to the random number, it's gonna say that is close. So, kunyari, kung in-input nila is 148, di sige, masyadong mahirap pala yun. Joke lang. You might be too confused sa ganun. Sige, copy mo muna to, and I want you to explain it to Kuya in your own words. How the code will run without exactly running it. I just want you to explain it on your own. Kaya? Sige, copy mo muna.
Did I do something wrong here?
Sige, share your screen. You set it. You just from 100. It's supposed to be correct. Oh, you forgot to put say and wait for. You should use the wait for block. So, punta ka sa
I
looks.
did. I used the end wait.
Hindi yung say. So, dun sa purple. There we go. You say for 2 seconds. There we go. Kailangan kasi may interval siya, may delay. And then it's supposed to ask again. Gets?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So how will the how does the code work?
So when the green flag is clicked, wait, stop it. When the green flag is clicked, the the variable sets the random number to 124. And then for this forever block, it the forever block actually does something with
Mm-hmm.
these four codes. At first it asks, can you guess the number I hid in your room? It ranges from 100 to 150, and wait, and then we use the if then, and then we put the operator, which is blank equals blank. Then stay correct for 5 seconds. And then in the first slot for the operator,
Mm-hmm.
we put answer, and then for the second slot, we put the variable random number.
Okay, good job. Nice. Okay, here's the next thing I want you to do. I want you to make a new variable. Variable, gawa ka variable. Yan. You name it attempts. Good job. Okay. So for attempts, I want you to keep track the number of times you got it wrong. So how would you do that? Change it. So when you get it wrong, dapat tataas si attempts, right? Dapat magpa-plus 1 si attempts. So what do you do? Yan, good job. Sige, try mo. Yeah, good job. So, I want you, paano natin papalitan yan? Paano natin gagawin na before it says wrong, kailangan mag-increment muna si attempts. Paano gagawin natin? Yan. Rearrange lang. Good job. Ayan. How do you Sige, tanggalin mo yung isang set attempts. Okay, actually, yeah. Good job. Maganda yan. But basically, so pag correct na siya, magiging zero na ulit, no? Magre-reset si attempts. Mhm. Maybe you want to rename attempts to wrong attempts. Rename mo. Paano natin i-rename siya? Wrong attempts. Yan, good job. Okay, last na. I want you to, paano kaya natin ito i-modify palalo? Wrong attempts. So I want you to broadcast a message so that the other sprite will say, I did it, pagka-correct siya. So, yung isang sprite naman tayo. I want him to say, I did it when you get it correct. So, when I received, paano mo muna ibo-broadcast? Ano muna ibo-broadcast mo? Ah, dapat i-rearrange mo siya. So, ibo-broadcast niya muna bago niya sasabihin correct. So, nasa pinakailalim yung wait. Dapat yung say nasa ano, sa bottom ng if. There we go. Good job. Yay! Good job, Rian. You did it. Gets mo na yung variables? Kahit pa paano? Mm-hmm. Got a good hang of it. So, in the following lessons kasi, we're gonna be using a lot of variables. So, I just want you to get used to it. Here are the other ano. If you want, actually, mas recommend ko, I want you to do exercise 3. Kaya ba yan? So, a simple game where your character's health decreases when hit by enemies. So, since kaya, di ba kanina, nakapag-increment tayo ng number of attempts. Dito naman, -1. So, to decrement, opposite of increment, we just put -1 dun sa change by na block. Gets mo?
Okay, I get
Mm-mm.
it.
Gets,
But I
gets.
might not have that much enough time. So
Oh,
when
yeah.
I
O nga
get back,
pala,
I'll
alis
probably
ka.
start working on it.
Sige, sige. Just when you have time, okay? I just recommend you to do this so that you get a better hang of variables. So, alam mo yung ginagawa natin dati, 'di ba? Na on touch when collision. Basta like when this character touches this character, something happens, right? So when they touch each other, dapat magma-1 si health. Gets mo? Mhm. Just like before, when this sprite touches the rock, he says something, 'di ba? But instead of saying something, magma-1 lang si health. Okay? Yun lang naman yun. Do you have any other questions? Okay na? O, rest time ka na.
Yeah,
Balik ka na sa Roblox.
I probably will.
Mhm. Okay. Enjoy. Have fun.
Okay, bye, Teacher Justin.
Alright. I'll prepare better exercises for you next time. Okay? Sorry talaga.
Okay, it's fine.
Mhm.
See you next
Sige.
Saturday.
Bye-bye. Stay safe kayo ah. Ingat
Bye.
kayo sa biyahe.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.